In this video, we present the top electric kettle on the market today. Regardless of whether you are looking for the budget option or through the best to the best, we have chosen one for each category, and we will have one for you. We made this list in no particular order. So if you are interested in what many electric kettle will work best for you, stay tuned as always. All the links about the product mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. Number 1. COSORI Electric Kettle.
Let's be honest, getting out of bed is not the easiest job. You need something quick and convenient to get you going in the morning. Well, you're in luck, because COSORI's Gooseneck Electric Kettle is designed to do just that, and more. Choose from 5 different presets to get the right temperature for your drink of choice. Even if you're more of a tea drinker, the Gooseneck Kettle has got you covered with its different tea options. Once you choose your temperature, you'll only have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes while the kettle boils your water. The kettle was made with quality materials. The interior is food-grade stainless steel with no plastic present whatsoever. This way, your drink will have that pure, clean taste you love. Once the water has finished boiling, you'll hear a beep to let you know it's ready. The gooseneck design gives you effortless control over water flow, so pouring is precise and easier than ever. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to come back for more, just press the hold temp button and the kettle will remain its temperature for 60 minutes until you're ready for your next cup. Whether it's coffee or tea, COSORI's Gooseneck Kettle has everything you need to start your morning off on the right foot.
Number 2. KitchenAid Electric Kettle.
Quickly and quietly bring water to a boil in minutes from your countertop, desk, or office with the KitchenAid 5-cup electric kettle. The removable base with 360-degree rotation makes it easy to enjoy the perfect tea, hot chocolate, and more just about anywhere. And the spout with removable limescale filter provides a precise pour. Expand your possibilities with the stylish, compact electric kettle built to perform by KitchenAid.
Number 3. Cuisinart Supreme Grind.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in. Put the lid on.
Number 4. Zwilling Electric Kettle.
Prepare every meal. Share every meal. Blend every meal. And friend every meal. Baste and taste. Savor and flavor. Pour, adore, and give every meal. Zwilling, live every meal.
Number 5. GE Electric Kettle.
Keep your kettle hot on the inside and cool on the outside, thanks to double wall insulation and a stainless steel interior. Choose from 9 adjustable temperature settings to keep up to 1.5 liters of water at the perfect temperature for specialty drinks like green, herbal, white, oolong, and black tea, and even favorites like hot chocolate, and still be able to handle the kettle safely.
Number 6. Chefman Electric Kettle. Number 7. Aroma Professional Kettle. Number 8. Chef's Choice Electric Kettle. Number 9. Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle. Number 10. West Bend Electric Kettle. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price, and description to this products and description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.